So the fan, I completely tore off the housing, and that's pretty much it. Those were like I said, the main issue was at first was I'll play some games, and then I was just shut off out of nowhere. And it was dirty. I cleaned it off, and then I messed up, and I took when I was taking off the fan, I took it off the housing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's also one.
So don't worry, I'm gonna fix it for you.
Okay. Oh, nice.
And you try to put glue or something?
I tried to solder it.
Oh, okay.
I tried to solder it, but it didn't hold.
Okay, bro. So I'm gonna start right now. It's gonna take like 3 minutes.
Okay, that's cool.
It's okay. You can wait, or
yeah,
when I come
I'll wait.
back, it's up to you.
I'll wait. I'll wait.
Okay.
Yeah.
You wanna check it?
Oh, there we go. Nice. Good.
Like it?
Love it. Haven't had it for a couple months, man.
Wow.
I left it, a couple months. I'm like, Christmas Eve's gotta hop on with the boys,
Yeah. Okay, brother.
All right, boss.
Okay.
Have a good one.
You
Thank
too, brother. You're welcome anytime.